Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance between a plus b, comma a minus b and b, a minus b, comma minus a minus b is. Now options are these. Either one of them is printing mistake. Either this is a and b or this is alpha and beta. Let's change these to alpha and beta. Alpha, beta, alpha, beta, alpha and beta. Now with these we are given 2 points, A alpha plus beta, comma alpha minus beta. Alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta are coordinates x and y respectively. And B alpha minus beta, comma minus alpha minus beta. Now we know distance between any 2 points with x1 y1 and x2 y2 as their coordinates is given by under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So distance between AB will be under root of, here x1 is alpha plus beta, so alpha plus beta, and x2 is minus alpha minus beta whole square plus y1 is alpha minus beta and y2 is minus of minus alpha minus beta whole square. So let's simplify this. Under root of alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta is alpha plus beta minus alpha minus of minus plus beta whole square plus, again here alpha minus beta minus of minus alpha is plus alpha, minus of minus beta is plus beta, so whole square. Let's see, that comes out to be minus alpha plus alpha cancels out, minus beta plus beta cancels out, so we are left with beta, that is 2 beta plus beta is 2 beta whole square plus alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha whole square. So that is equal to under root of 4 alpha square plus 4 beta square. So we can take 4 common out of it. So it becomes under root of 4 into alpha square plus beta square. And we know this can be written as under root of 4 into under root of alpha square plus beta square. We know under root of 4 is 2 because distance cannot be negative, so we can take it as positive 2. So 2 under root alpha square plus beta square units. Distance between A and B. So let's see, answer is option A.